Hello, and welcome to Toshiba and our unique series of how-to videos specifically designed to allow ease of use of some of the key features available on our newest series of MFPs. OCR, or Optical Character Recognition, is technology that enables you to convert scanned paper documents into editable and searchable formats, including PDF or Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to execute OCR on a simple paper-based document and convert it to a searchable PDF, then have it emailed to you. Start by placing the originals face up in the document feeder. Select the Scan button on the control panel, then select Email. Then select the recipient's address, or press the keypad icon and enter your email address. Select Detail to add some additional information on this scanned file. Enable OCR, then select the format, which is PDF. Specify the appropriate settings on the screen, such as subject, body information, or file name. Then press OK. To start the scan, press Send on the touch panel, or you can press the green Start Hard button on the control panel. The converted document will be sent to you as an email attachment. As you might imagine, this feature can make finding scanned PDF files much easier and make editing or repurposing documents a much simpler task. We hope you found this how-to video informative. It's part of the comprehensive series that's available online. Thanks for viewing.